Good morning, traders. Welcome to Trade Confident. Guys, it is not looking good out there. I'm just going to be honest with you. A lot of people are in the negative. People are losing millions of dollars. By the way, if you guys, I'm sure you guys know that this channel, BitBoy Crypto, some of you guys might not like him, for whatever reasons, but something I do appreciate about him is he actually trades real money and he trades millions of dollars and he's down millions of dollars right now and he just keeps it really real. So I love it when YouTubers come out here and they are actually showing you guys, do they have skin in the game? Yes, I definitely do. The account is down $1,200 this morning. Like that's frustrating, to be honest. Like, it's frustrating, but it's also exciting at the same time because a lot of people are getting really good deals in here and we're picking up prices at lower discounts. So, it is what it is. Let's go over Vechain here real quick. The top breaking news actually has a typo in it, which you guys might be. Just watch it. I'm not trying to bash this at all because I've made mistakes on videos and I've corrected it. So that's not the point of this at all. But this is calling this #1 article for Vechain on Google. Vechain price forecast, VET collapse may continue as race for the exit intensifies. This is calling a May 23rd low of 65 cents is now in play as downside momentum accelerates across the cryptocurrency complex. So this is a typo on here. It's a #1 trending article, so they'll probably hear it from somebody. Maybe they'll watch it on this video. I don't know, but this is definitely not correct. It's actually it's 6 cents. Okay, they actually have it correct down here on the chart as 0.065, and they're calling this low here on May 23rd. And I'll show you guys this. The May 23rd low for Vechain, you can follow this down here at the bottom, was right here, and that was actually at 0.065 cents, so 6.5 cents. So let's go over the market metrics this morning. This is where you guys want to check every single morning. You can't fake this stuff, guys. This isn't biased. This isn't, FOMO FUD. This is straight volume trading power. You can't fake this. So start here every morning. Long versus short trades for Bitcoin. It is the rising tide. It will affect Vechain absolutely, as you can see. Bitcoin's going down, Vechain's going down. It basically moves all the other cryptos. So we see the shorts, dropping off very drastically here. This is very nice because if the short trades drop off, if the whales stop shorting, that means they're nervous that their shorts are going to lose. And how do you lose on shorts? It's actually when the price goes back up is how you lose on shorts. So they're like, hey, we're getting the heck out of here on our shorts. We're actually going to drop out of this. And you can see as the shorts are declining, the actual long trades are increasing. So this is a good sign that we could see a turnaround from strict volume flow, not personal thoughts or emotions involved in this whatsoever. Strict data. This is looking good for a turnaround. Trades in favor. Again, strict data here. We see a great long trade opportunity. Last time we saw it down here, we saw some pumps in the market. This is the reason why it didn't head up as high up here is that we were at all-time highs. But when we get down into this great long trade area, this is where you guys can start seeing real good long trades enter the market. So if you're looking to enter in today, it is definitely advised, not financial advice, entertainment purposes only on this channel. Long trades are going to be your best bet. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. The death cross status, this is definitely taken place. The red is above the green. We need to get this green above the red. If that happens, we will be looking at entering another bull market cycle. That's not just personal opinion. That is actually how this indicator is read. It's what CNN and all these guys are pumping out. It is a true metric. It's used more on stocks than it is for crypto, to be honest with you guys. This is where it kind of started, was this death cross. It's basically a 50 MA moving below a 200 MA, and that's what we have here, which is a very bearish sign. But hold on, I got some more metrics here that you guys are going to see that are going to give you some confidence we could head back up. The emotional index of the entire crypto market right now is set to fearful. This is very, very powerful. You guys need to be watching this because here's how you read this. When you guys get up in the morning, check tradeconfident.io. I eventually will be charging for these metrics pretty soon here because you guys it's saving you hundreds of thousands, some of you millions of dollars just by watching what the volume's doing in these certain metrics we're pulling here. So the fear is very high. A lot of people are selling off. It's clear they're selling off because there is not a single amount of bullish momentum in here. This bounce right here is probably a few retail traders, but the whales are not. They're not pumping this up as fast as they want right now, but they are buying. And let me show you something here. So you guys are very fearful. This is what's happening, though, for the well and the institutional smart money, okay? Look up smart money and institutionals. This is what they do. They buy your guys' fear like crazy. When you guys are in here and you guys are really happy at these points when the price starts heading back up here and you guys are, getting excited and even moving into the greedy stage, this is where the whales are coming in and they are shorting you guys like crazy. Okay, a lot of greedy emotions are like, oh, it's going to keep going up. All these YouTube channels, pushing out, we're going to the moon, we're going to the moon. And what they want it to happen because they're like, sweet, you guys are buying, and all we want to do is get you guys to continue staying greedy, and then we'll drop the price out on you. So this is why you want to be watching this, because how does it correlate to today's video? The fearfulness in the market, and I'm talking about Vechain here and other cryptos as a whole. If you guys are in Vechain, there's a lot of people that are fearful right now because of the overall market sentiment of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin does rise Vechain up and down, okay? Even if there's good fundamental news, Bitcoin will rise it up and down. So the fear is taking over, but I'm telling you guys, smart money is buying this dip like crazy in the long trades. Let's take a look at something else down here. These are the well positions. This is straight volume metric data, okay? This is not made up. This is not made by hand. This is real blockchain data, okay? If you guys are looking down here, you can see what's called, these are high volume nodes and low volume nodes. When we get stuck between these low volume node places, this is where the price crashes very fast. A bunch of money, a bunch of whales get in here and they buy this place as well as retail traders. The next great high volume node that we can see down here is actually about $23,000 for Bitcoin. Now, what does that correlate with Vechain? I'll go over it in a second, but when you guys get down here, there's nothing stopping it. There's no trades down here. Like literally, there's literally nothing between 24,000 and 26,000, like nothing. If it gets down here, it'll just drop super fast to 2,300. So I am expecting if we continue to head down here, there's not much to catch us and maybe a 23,000 move on Bitcoin. That would correlate to a fourth touch on this trade, which would bring us down to about 3 cents. Can you guys believe I'm even saying that? 3 possible cents for Vechain. I'm telling you guys, it's true, because if you guys go over to Bitcoin and you look at this and you look at what I just showed you guys and you look at 23,000 is down here. So this is 23,000, right? Let me get it right about there. It goes past our fourth buy limit and down here at the bottom. That could be crazy. But if you guys pull the structures and you guys go back to Vechain and you look at where that sits, it sits below here pretty far. Like it definitely is down here around the 3 cent mark. So this is why I think Vechain could see a 3 cent price. Now, if that happens, everybody in the world is going to start buying Vechain, and natural rubber band effect will take over and the price will skyrocket. That's my personal opinion here. Taking a look at the indicators on the chart here, and we're going to end this video. The trend dashboard, the price versus the well money flow, and the trend exhaustion, these indicators are going up on the website July 1st, so make sure you guys get those on your chart. But this is telling us that a lot of retail traders are looking to go bearish here, or they're either selling or they're shorting, okay? That's what this tells me. The trend exhaustion is still sitting at the bottom here, which is positive news for us if we're looking for a move up, which I think a lot of us are. So this tells me that we could see a move back up. When we get to the bottom here, we do usually see moves up. Contrary to what we've seen here, we usually do see some nice pumps in the market. We saw pumps here, we see pumps here, we saw a pump there, even right here as well. This has just been a place where a lot of people went long, their stop losses were hit, they got, cut off on their long trade, the stop losses, and they went short to cover their losses. So that's what drives the price down really fast. I'm sure even some institutions are doing this as well. But we are seeing a little bit of bounce up here at the bottom support at around 58 cents. This is the biggest structure down here at 52 cents. So 50 cent psychological level is where I would think we could possibly hit. I'm updating a ton of trades, and I have updated a ton of trades for you guys today on tradeconfident.io. So make sure you guys are subscribed over here and following these. But this entry has moved down here to 0.08. If you guys are dollar cost averaging with me in here, you guys are doing fantastic. You guys, if you got in here with a market order, you would have been down right now 47, close to 50%. If you guys are following the strategy on here, you're not down 48%, you're down 28%. You cut your losses in half just by dollar cost averaging with the calls I made on this YouTube channel. So hope you guys are having a good one. This isn't financial advice, entertainment purposes only, but I hope you guys have an amazing day. I'll keep the videos coming. Make sure you guys are checking tradeconfident.io every morning for market metrics. I eventually will be charging very soon here for these, because I do take a lot of time and data that I need to run on my end. But I truly believe this will save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in crypto if you guys are able to just watch the true market volume data of what's going on. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.